Today I just wanted to give a quick update on the legal situation that I'm faced with. Of course, 3.5 months ago, I refused to be searched without a warrant at a Border Patrol checkpoint that was 50 miles away from the border. I was just driving from San Diego to Phoenix, got tasered for an extended period of time, 20 seconds, got my head, bashed into broken glass, etc. Spent the night in jail. Well, this Wednesday is the hearing to dismiss the charges against me, the 2 misdemeanors. Failure to obey and obstructing the highway. And I feel very good about this case. I read all the arguments from my defense attorney in my favor, and I read the arguments from the prosecutor. And here's the funny thing about it. The prosecutor, boy, he's just going crazy. He has already filed a motion. I think he's filed the same motion either 2 or 3 times, demanding that the old judge take back over the case. Because what happened was there was a lady judge that was originally assigned to the case, and she was handling it for the first few months. And then after a couple of months, all of a sudden she recused herself, which basically means that she does not want to hear the case anymore because she might be biased or cannot make a judgment on this one because of usually some kind of a bias involved. Well, she recused herself, and another judge took over whose name is David Cooper. Well, boy, the prosecutor is flipping out, and he keeps filing these motions saying, I don't want David Cooper, give us this other lady back, or give us some other judge, but, I don't want this judge, David Cooper. I don't know why, because, I don't know anything about David Cooper, but I guess that's a good sign if the prosecutor is so upset about him being assigned to the case. And then the other thing is, the prosecutor has already delayed this thing. This hearing to dismiss that I'm going to on Wednesday, it was supposed to be a few weeks ago. He already has pushed it back as far as he could. He's also, filing a motion to try to, I think, move it to a different court. He's really just panicking, I guess. I don't know why he's doing all this. He's trying to move the court date, because right now the court date is set for August 25th, if there is a trial, if the charges are not dropped. And he's trying to get that pushed out, according to some motions that I received in the mail. And so, I don't know what I guess he's just realizing that this isn't the slam dunk for him that he thought it was, because, we have so much law and so many constitutional arguments in our favor. And so this Wednesday is going to be the hearing to dismiss the charges. Now, this is not the trial. At this hearing, basically, there can either be a good outcome for me or just no outcome. But I'm not being tried for the crimes. So let's say they don't dismiss the charges, then we're going to go to trial. Or they might dismiss the charges, which is great for me, because then the charges are dropped and I'm exonerated. So that's this Wednesday. I'd appreciate people's prayers. It's going to be on Wednesday morning at 10 a.m. in Yuma. And so if people could pray, that would be great. That justice would be served, and that the judge will do the right thing and uphold the Constitution and uphold freedom and liberty in the United States. So that's this coming Wednesday. And then, like I said, if the charges are not dropped, then the tentative trial date is set for August 25th. Of course, after that's over, I'm going to be bringing the suit against them. Right now I'm in the defensive mode. But then it's going to be the offense when we bring charges against them for excessive force, violating my constitutional rights, etc. So please be praying for this Wednesday at 10 a.m.